What happens if you keep getting bad dreams or scary experiences in general while trying to shift? I'll tell you why it's happening by telling you about my own experience and how you can go about it. The reason why it's happening is because it's the system trying to quote unquote protect you. Our body doesn't like the fact that we're trying to leave it, and it's doing everything it can to keep you grounded here, and it's working. This is something everybody goes through, me as well, not just you. Whenever I would get nightmares, and it would happen to me a lot, whether if it was being stuck in an evil reality or just any scary supernatural realm in general. I've dreamt of being shot before. Not even just that, but just dreams of unwanted scenarios like my crush wronging me, or babysitting kids gone wrong, with the kids turning into zombies. Hell, I remote viewed Art the Clown literally getting in my face, sitting there looking at me with a sadistic smile. Those are just two out of many examples, but if y'all want a separate video of me telling you about most of my dreams, let me know, but for now, I'm just here to help you with your situation. Whenever I would get those unwanted experiences, I'd get intrusive thoughts in my head too. I'd ask myself, is shifting really demonic? Is this all really actually meant for me? Once again, it's just a system trying to protect me. It's trying to protect me by rejecting it. What did I do about it? I just acknowledged they were there and carried on, realizing the thoughts are not true and I'm the one in control. If I want to shift, then I'm gonna damn shift. One, because I'm stubborn, and two, because I'm a sick bastard who would continue my journey, despite some extreme damage happening. Like, for example, hypothetically, if my friend got mauled by a bear, I would still continue my journey like nothing would happen. I'm a very show must go on type person. The point is, just acknowledge the thoughts that they are there. Just acknowledge that they are there and just move on. Just like how you would see an alligator in the lake. Okay, cool. You acknowledge it's there, but I assume you wouldn't go near it, right? Or give it attention unless you want to become its dinner, of course. Same way as you wouldn't go near it is the same reason why you wouldn't give in to your intrusive thoughts, which is the alligator. The alligator is your intrusive thoughts. What about the nightmare itself? Here's what you're gonna do. Whether you're in a scary horror place like Haydenfield, Illinois, or Crystal Lake, or just an alternate CR with an unwanted scenario, here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna shift there and be strong. Do not argue with the situation, do not fight it, just accept it and deal with it. Accept whatever happens, happens. What do you really have to lose? Be real, guys. What do you really have to lose? It's just another shift under your belt, and it adds more to your shifting resume. Regardless. And once you're there, just loop your desired reality affirmations and finally go to it. So, this is how you can beat the system and finally achieve what your heart has always wanted. Here's my experience from yesterday when I had both a remote viewing experience and a dream simultaneously and met Michael Myers. Pause to read it. Last night, too, though, before I went to bed, I literally felt myself about to yeet out of my awareness and jump into that same reality. I literally was losing consciousness here and almost went there. While other shifting YouTubers may tell you how to flee from those situations, I'm here to tell you how to face it. Not just for shifting, but for life in general. I'm always going to tell you to always face your problems and never run from them. After you have done that, you will find clarity, and doors will open for new chapters in life. And for us shifters, that statement is very literal.